GoodNotes 6 versus GoodNotes 5. Is it worth upgrading from GoodNotes 5 to GoodNotes 6? So we are going to talk about this. The release of GoodNotes 6 has sparked discussion about whether existing user of GoodNotes 6 should upgrade or not. So here in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed explanation. Now we will talk about the key differences and new features. So in the GoodNotes 6, introduce a more vibrant and customizable interface, including a sidebar for each access to feature and a new tool layout that some users find clunky compared to GoodNotes. Its customizable folder colors and icon has been added, allowing for better organization and personalization of notes. Right, there is also AI integration, pen gestures, interactive exam practice, right, which was not available on GoodNote 5. And even though it was available, but the advancement was not too good as compared to GoodNote 6, right? So a new marketplace allow user to download additional resources through this selection is currently limited right now. But these features introduce microtransaction that may not appeal to all users. Right, which is a bad thing actually here. But anyway, the pricing strategy is that user can choose between a subscription model of one-time purchase that is $30. The price point has raised concern among long-time users who feel it is steeped compared to previous version. Existing user of GoodNotes 5 can be continue using their version without upgrading, but they will eventually need to switch as support may wane over time. There's also pros and cons. So the pros of upgrading is that enhanced features, future updates. The cons is that minimal change for general, users and mixed reviews on UI change here. So if you just talk about the conclusion, if you're a student or professional who would benefit from advanced features like AI assistance, enhanced customization, upgrading may be worth it for you guys. However, if you primarily use basic notes taking functionalities, sticking with GoodNote 5 might be a more practical solution. Right, so ultimately both versions is good, and this of course they have upgraded. That's why they named as GoodNote 6 here. But GoodNote 5 is also good if you are using it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.